beautiful people, Crystal here. Welcome back to my channel. If you're new, welcome to my channel. How you guys doing? I hope you guys are doing well. So today's look is all about this eye look right here. It's this coppery, metallic, shimmery, glittery eyeshadow look that I did right here. And listen, you guys, I'm about to go to work with a full beat face. You can't tell me nothing, okay? So basically this look is just basically how I created this whole look, and I hope you guys are excited to watch how I created this look, because I'm literally just finessing. And listen, I am the ultimate finesse queen, okay? Don't tell me nothing. I am the ultimate finesse queen. So, you know, before I get into this video, make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. Subscribing is free. Join the family. There's so much love to give. So just join it, and you'll just feel that love overcome you, and just warm your spirit. And now, if you're ready, come on with me and let's get into this video. Okay, so I've already done my brows, and for my brows I use the L'Oreal Paris Brow Stylist Shape and Fill, and then I concealed my brows using the LA Girl Pro Conceal in the color medium beige, and then I primed my eyes using the LA Girl in the color yellow concealer. And now I'm gonna basically set my eyes with powder, and I'm gonna be using the e.l.f. powder. Okay. Excuse me. Yes, I do have a shirt on, or it's a dress, you know. Get your girl in Fashion Nova, okay? And oh yeah, I got a new mirror from the dollar store. Don't sleep on the dollar store. So today's look is gonna be a copper eye, basically. I don't know if it's gonna be smoky. I don't know if it is. I just know that I'm gonna finesse, and we're gonna go with it, and we're gonna see where the creative juices take me. So I'm gonna go first in to this palette, the BH Cosmetics palette, and it has 88 colors just to find my transition shade. I think I'm gonna go in with this orange color right here first for my transition. And then I might go over top with a brown, but let's see how this color comes out first. Okay, this works. Very soft and still pretty pigmented. Maybe I would have liked it a little bit more pigmented, but it's, oh yeah, there it is. Oh, I'm just using a BH Cosmetic dome brush to do this. Now we're gonna go in to the Masquerade palette by Juvia's. I love this palette so much. I don't have a lot of eyeshadow palettes, but you know, my money coming, so definitely gonna be ordering a lot more palettes from Juvia's place, because I really love how pigmented all the shadows are. So I'm gonna go in, I'm gonna use the same brush, and I'm gonna go into Fulani right here. And y'all, if I butcher the name, I know I'm African, but these names are I don't know, there's something else, honestly. So I'm gonna go in Fulani and just put that in my crease lightly. And what I'm trying to do is create some depth in my crease. Okay, now I'm gonna go in with a smaller dome brush. I'm gonna concentrate the color Ada, this color right here in my outer corner. I'm really not trying to make it too smoky. Flat brush. This flash brush is kind of dirty, but hopefully the color doesn't transfer. We're gonna go and we're gonna dip into the color Casablanca. It's just this really beautiful golden shade. I'm gonna go in with a more precise flat brush to get the edges, to just make this look more precise. I'm gonna go into the color Cario right here, and this one you can't tell, but it has a shimmer, and I'm gonna go right behind that shadow for transition. And basically we're gonna go back and we're gonna highlight my inner tear duct and my eyebrow, my brow bone I mean, and the eye look is complete. But to highlight my inner tear duct and my brow bone, I'm gonna go in with this color. What is it called now? Diana? It's not Diana. Dahina? Something like that. Back with this brown brush, this round brush, and just kind of like just soften those edges just a little bit more. And now I'm gonna go in with my eyeliner. The eyeliner I'm using today is the e.l.f. eyeliner in jet black, and also all the makeup products that I use are gonna be in DB below. So you don't have to worry. You don't have to worry about writing it down. I got you. Now I'm gonna put on my lashes, and the lashes I'm using are the M335 lash from Miss 3D Volume Lash. What I used to do my foundation was the Infallible Pro Matte by L'Oreal. For concealer, I'm going to be using LA Pro Concealer in the color Toffee. To set my whole entire face, I'm going to be using the Wowder powder. It's Wowder, if you can't. It's the Wowder powder in the color Deep Dark. Now I'm going to use the Black Radiance True Complexion contour palette to bring some color and life back into my face. Now I'm gonna go in with the matte blush palette and just bring a little bit of summer glow, just some pink in my cheeks. And I'm gonna be using this color right here. So, but you know, yeah, I'm just gonna use that color. It's a little dark, but if you just I already highlighted just in these little areas in my nose. So y'all, this look is coming together. It's like a sunset on my eyes. Okay, so I'm gonna be using the color Chili Chill by ColourPop. Oh, this is a little different. It's a berry. So I'm gonna take this off, do my hair real quick, and be right back. Okay. Oh, if you're wondering how I got my hair stretched out, I just put my hair in 2 French braids and then just brushed it out and pinned half of it up, basically. Y'all, money's coming for a wig, so I'm just kind of just figuring out how to just do different styles with my hair. And if you didn't see my last video, go ahead and watch it. You know, my top 4 favorite hairstyles that I like to do when, especially, you know, when I'm on the go and I just need to just have a nice little productive style with my natural hair. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video, enjoyed how I created this look. Make sure you turn on the notification bell to never miss a video that I drop. I drop videos every Wednesday and Sunday. I know this video is going up Thursday, but I try to post every Wednesday and Sunday. I hope you guys have a wonderful day, and I will see you guys next time.
Make my body go, take our bodies higher and higher.